Hi, I'm Kayo and welcome back to my channel. Today's kanji is ichi. Ichi. So let's get started. Meaning 1. Radical 1. Pronunciation 訓読み一つ一つ音読み一一いついつ Stroke order 1. Here are the 2 tips for writing ichi beautifully. Tip 1. This line is flat, but this stroke is not flat, right? So please write a little bit upright, not like this. Downright, okay? Tip 2. This tip is extra advice. It's okay to write straight, just okay. But if you can, please make it a little bit rounded, a little bit curved. All right? So this is good, but this is the best. It looks elegant and beautiful. All right, so let's write again as a review. Alright, so next is example words. Number 1. 一つ一つ一つ means one. So, それを一つください。それを一つください。It means, can I have one please? So, それを一つください。Right, number 2. 一番一番一番 means number 1 or first or best. So, 私の一番好きな季節は秋です。Sorry, it's a little bit long. 私の一番好きな季節は秋です。So, my favorite season is autumn. Or autumn is the season I like the best. 私の一番好きな季節は秋です。Yeah, that's true. Because I can eat many delicious food in autumn. Right? Okay. Number 3. 一本一本 Pon or hon is the unit for counting something long object like pencil, umbrella, or the bottle. So, 私は傘を一本しか持っていません。私は傘を一本しか持っていません。It means I have only one umbrella. 私は傘を一本しか持っていません。Sorry. Okay, that's all for today. See you next video.